Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make filter coffee. For making filter coffee, I need some milk, sugar, some water, percolator or filter, coffee filter, and some coffee powder. So let me show you how the filter looks like. Filter has three parts. This is the bottom where the decoction collects, and this is the top part where you put the coffee powder. Make sure the holes are not clogged, and then the lid. I'm going to put them back together. This is the coffee powder I'm going to use. For making the decoction, I need some hot water, so I'm going to boil the water now. And for my coffee, I need some milk, so I'm boiling my milk now. If the pores are clogged, the decoction will not filter properly. So what you can do is, I'm going to give you the tip. So what you can do is, you can just put it on the stove for some time so that the clogs are removed. Now you can see the holes clearly, so there will not be any problem in getting the decoction. Now I'm going to put the top thing back, and I'm going to fill the coffee powder. You don't really have to measure. So my coffee powder. Now my water is ready. Now I'm going to pour the hot water into the filter. Make sure you don't pour it in the center, just go around and then get to the center. Let me show you again. While pouring the hot water, please go around the circle from the corner. Now I'm going to close the lid, and the decoction is going to be collected at the bottom vessel. Now let me show you the decoction. See, it's dripping, and this much decoction is more than enough for my coffee. And this is what it looks like at the top, bottom. Now my milk is ready. I'm going to show you how to make the coffee now. Now I'm going to show you how to make the coffee. The best way to make a coffee is pour how much ever decoction you need in a cup. Then add milk so that you know where to stop depending on what color of coffee you like. So I need something like this. Some people like it thick, some people like it little lighter. I like it something like this, so I'm going to stop right here, and I'm going to add my sugar. And then I'm going to mix it well. I like it frothy, so and my coffee is ready. So next time when you make your coffee, all you have to do is just boil the milk and add it to the decoction. This decoction is good for 2 days when left outside. Enjoy your coffee.